Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today we're navigating a really fascinating convergence point.
We are. It's the intersection of cutting-edge algorithmic precision and the ancient, sometimes messy complexity of the human mind.
And the theme connecting them is decision-making.
It's a spectacular stack of sources we have. On one side, you've got this highly technical research showing how advanced AI models calculate, and this is the key part, how they explain their choices.
We're talking about transparency in the age of automation.
Exactly.
And then on the other side, we have these deep dives into cognitive science, even some timeless wisdom, looking at why this complex biological system make lightning-fast choices.
Right. Often before your conscious mind has even, fully registered what's happening.
It's the logic gate versus the limbic system, really.
That's a great way to put it. So our mission today is to pull the most important threads from this material. We're going to unpack the science behind things like decision trees and machine learning.
Get into the world of explainable AI, and then pivot completely to an analog tool.
A very powerful one. The intentional disruptive force of what our sources call the sacred pause.
The goal here is for you to walk away understanding how to better trust, or maybe distrust, both the machine's decisions and your own gut reactions. But let's start with the cold, hard logic of the machine. When we talk about how algorithms sort, classify, and decide, the foundational model is often the decision tree, the DT.
It is. For anyone not familiar, just think of it as a logical flowchart. That's really all it is.
A sequence of choices.
Exactly. Imagine a chart where each point, each node asks a question. Something simple like, is the customer over 35?
Or is the temperature above 80 degrees?
Right. And the answer determines which branch you follow next until you finally land on a leaf node. And that leaf is your final answer, your classification.
What's so appealing about it right off the bat is how easy it is to understand. I mean, compared to a deep neural network, which is this impenetrable black box.
The decision tree is what they call a white box model.
You can actually follow the path. You can see the logic.
That transparency is huge. And beyond that, they're just incredibly practical. They can handle all sorts of data numbers, categories, you name it.
You don't need to do a ton of prep work on the data, right? No hours spent normalizing every variable.
Not at all. And they scale beautifully to massive data sets. Our sources suggest they're probably the closest that machine learning has gotten to mirroring how we, as humans, consciously break down a problem.
But mirroring human reasoning isn't always a good thing, because even the cleanest logic runs into complexity issues. And what's fascinating is that decision trees actually prefer less complexity. They love Occam's razor.
That's the critical pivot. The simplest explanation is usually the best, but if you let a decision tree get too complex, you run straight into the danger of overfitting.